Look at how well I blended that in. 4C hair girlies, come in the chat. Small little curls so that this comb can go right there and be right at the base and secure the wig. Simple, right? Yeah, I think I just want to keep it like this curl pattern. You see how I just flipped it over like that? Okay. And keep in mind, this is an Afro curly wig. ISEE Hair, y'all. So it is $105. Let's see how long it takes me to install this wig. I always save their packaging because it's just so nice. I love to store stuff in this. Wig, and then headband, wig cap. I think it's a waste of money that they send you this red elastic band that's already attached to the wig, but also send you this black elastic band to switch it out. So let's go ahead and immediately take this off. Maybe it's part of their marketing. I don't know. Got a little tag right there too. Love the details. So this is 20 inches Afro curly. Smell really good. Really, really, really good. Small little curls. And there's a comb at the top, 2 combs on the side, a wide comb down here at the bottom, and plus you have like this drawstring, and you even have adjustable straps, and of course, like I said, the elastic band. But I'm not even going to add the black one. I don't need it. Now I just took out some box braids and just braided my hair back, but I will just pull out the front row of my braids because this will be my leave out. Hopefully this isn't too much because we don't need much. I seen this girl do a half wig on TikTok, and she used edge control to, I guess, pretty much like define her curls. So we're going to be trying that out today. Go ahead and put that wig on. Put that. And then also pull the drawstring and secure the wig. And then take the rest of that string and tuck it under. Simple, right? Anyone can do it. And I already have braids here, so it'll be easy to put this comb in these braids. But if you just pulling your hair back into a ponytail or something, make sure you do like some type of anchor braid so that this comb can go right there and be right at the base of your leave out. So I will go ahead and swoop my edges. I need to do an Amazon order. I need some more Shears Bond Glue. I need some edge controls. I have to braid my hair, do some soft locks later this week or next week, whenever it is. Ugh, the struggle. There she go. And this is just water. Do I want to comb this out, or do I just want to leave it like this? I think I just want to finger detangle it how I just did to keep like this curl pattern instead of actually using my brush like I was ready to. Getting a little shedding. I'm gonna still put some of this lighter body on it. Oh, I love the smell of this. Yeah, I think I just want to keep it like this curl pattern because, watch, I know if I comb it, it's going to like make it clump together, like, and make it bushier. See how it kind of look a little, the curl pattern is different. So yeah, I'm just going to do this. Okay, last section at the top. Come on, water, don't fail me now. Don't tell me I gotta get back up. Please don't. I think I'm okay. Let's see. Yeah, let me know. Where you at, little thing? I want it coming over to the side a little some way. Like that. You see how I just flipped it over like that? Okay. Cool. Are we cool here? Okay, so here it is. Before I define my leave out, I just want to show you how it is laid. Flip this over. And keep in mind, this is an Afro curly wig. Now, the leave out. So I will be using this edge control. It's by As I Am. It's the only edge control that I have. This one doesn't hold my hair down that well either, but yeah. So actually, I'm going to tuck these two. This chair! I will tuck these back in. These four. Okay, so again, this is the leave out. And what the girl did was she just pushed her hair back with the edge control first and then tried to match the curls. Let's do that. Let's just push all this back. Because she made sense. She was saying that gels make her 4C hair revert back. So let's do the roots first. And then let's get this swooped how we want it. And then she took the edge control and put it on her hair. Now, put the edge control on my ends. And now let's try to blend the two. Okay, hold on. I feel like this right here, that area blended in really well. Homegirl was on something with the edge control. Because the edge control made my hair curl up, but it did not make it draw up really, really tight. Okay, I think this is good. Where? Tell me where it started and stopped. And with this texture hair, this Afro curl texture hair, I think that look good. Yeah. What time is it? Well, I'm over here talking. 1:46. So that took about 40 minutes, even with me, you know, doing all that yapping. I took out my diffuser, but I don't think I need it. I'm ready to go. I'm surprised at how well that worked. Which it made sense. That's why I was like, wait a minute, I'm gonna try that. And then I was gonna go to the store and buy that hot locking gel. But I was like, girl, but I feel like any edge control will work. And it did. Now if I'm talking to someone and they looking like at the top of my hair like that, look, because you're probably trying to figure out where it start and stop. You're not looking at it like, oh, that's a mess. You could tell that's a wig. No, you cannot. Look at how well I blended that in. 4C hair girlies, come in the chat. She eat, baby, it's eat. And I actually had out a good amount of leave out. Next time, I will pull out even less. For real. I want to just pull a bit more right here. Hold on. One thing about me, if I keep looking in this mirror, I will find something. Because I feel like I kind of combed through this a little bit. As long as this lot of body don't hit my natural hair, I'm fine. A lot of body. Who likes the body? It's more so like the middle and the back. That's not dry, but my hair looks so good. This is the perfect wig. And then I love the fact that I just finger detangled my curls. So they like really, really match with my hair texture. My leave out has never matched any hair texture like this. Oh, tell me my hair don't look good. It looks so good like this. Pull to the front. One side, oh, she eat. Everything pushed back. Gorgeous. The back is so thick. Super full. Love the curls. Very, very realistic. This looks so natural on me. Alright, so y'all, that's all for this video. Let me know what you think about this wig down below. I'm truly in love with this hair. This is my new throw on and go. You know, put a little edge control right there and baby, we in here. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And look at how it dries. It's the wig. This is an update on my hair. You see it is completely dry. The texture looks so good, matched so good with my natural texture. The leave out is still eating, and it just gives. Everything gives. Okay, I love you guys. That's all for this video.